Hey everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. My name is Connor. In this video, I'll be going over the top 10 AI crypto coins that you should have on your radar and potentially hold for this bull market cycle. AI coins are set to explode in 2025, and as of late, they have just started to pick up. So you're not too late right now, but time is of the essence. So if you wait too long, the opportunity will be gone. Let's get into this video. So AI crypto coins have been exploding off of their bottoms recently, and it's not a coincidence that just a few days ago, this was actually yesterday, CZ, the founder of Binance, he tweeted that he's not against meme coins, but meme coins are getting weird now, and he said it's time to build real applications using blockchain. And then his next tweet was about AI. And he said something here in regards to the BNB chain and what they're doing with AI tagging and AI data in general. But it's no coincidence that CZ said basically it's time for memes to cool off. They're getting too weird. Let's focus on building real stuff. And then his next tweet, he puts out an AI tweet. And then the next day, the whole entire AI market explodes in crypto. All right, so it's important that you're positioned before this kind of stuff happens. All of the AI coins, their charts have been bottomed out for a while. Now they're starting to break out. So like I said, you're not too late, but time is definitely of the essence. And if you wait till say New Year's, you're probably going to be paying much higher prices for many of these coins. But let's get into the top 10 AI coins for 2025. Coin number one is going to be my personal biggest position in my portfolio, BitTensor Tau. Tau right now is trading for $564. It has a market cap of $4.1 billion. And long story short, layer one, focusing on building a huge decentralized neural network. I've made many videos on Tau. I encourage you to watch some of them and then do your own research into Tau so you can learn what this project is actually doing, because it's pretty massive. It's still in its very early stages. Now, if we look at Tau, currently trading at $560, the all-time high is $777, and this was made back here in April of 2024. So price has rallied extremely hard off of the bottom. We called this bottom, pretty perfectly here at Crypto Empire. If you were following the channel in August and September, you already know that, but I figured I might as well remind the newer people. Go watch some of my videos from August and September about Tau. You'll see what I'm talking about. Anyways, it rallied hard off of the bottom at $216, all the way up here to $650. Pulled back to 400 at the daily 200 EMA, and it's basically just in a consolidation right now before the inevitable breakout before the new all-time high. We can put a diagonal trend line on the chart here, and we can see that the price is on its third touch. You have one, you have two, now you have three. It's looking for that breakout and a new all-time high. If you want to get into Tau, it's still pretty cheap, relatively speaking, to where it's going to go, in my opinion. So yeah, sub $600 is a pretty good buy price. If you see it in the $400 regions, again, that would be even better. But Tau, coin number one, in my opinion, the best AI coin to hold for this cycle. Coin number two is going to be Render, the Render network. Another one that we've been on from the bear market lows at $1.50. But nonetheless, I have decided that I'm going to go heavier into Tau. But Render's still a good hold, and I still think it will perform very well. All right, these are the top two coins by market cap for AI, Tau and Render. Fed is up there as well. But Render, $8.21 with a $4.2 billion market cap. So just above a Tau market cap. They're constantly flip-flopping. But yeah, the Render network. Check out some of my other videos on this project. They are building a lot. Some really good backers, strong team. And if we go ahead and take a look at the Render price chart. So it bottomed out over here at around $4. So it's up around 100% from the bottom in, say, September and November, just before the election. Hard rally back up here to resistance. Now, if we do draw a trend line here on Render, we are essentially breaking out above it right now. All right, so this hasn't put in its kind of mega explosive rally just yet, but it is gearing up for a mega explosive rally. All right, just breaking this downtrend line that goes back to the top in March, which was at $13.80. When this line is successfully broken, it's going to pump super hard. So like I said, time is of the essence. It's not too late right now, but when prices back up here at the highs at $12, $13, Don't ask me if it's a good time to buy. It's a good time to buy it here at 8. It was better to buy it at 4. It was even better to buy it in the bear market like I did down here at $1.50 around here. But nonetheless, we're here in the present moment. It's at $8. Doesn't really look like it's going to get much better than this. Coin number 2. Let's move on to coin number 3. Coin number 3 is going to be the Akash network. All right, AKT is going to be the ticker. And Akash is trading for $4.05 with a market cap of $1 billion. So Akash building a decentralized super network, essentially, cloud computing. And they're doing a lot. Strong team, good connections, and very bullish narrative as well for Akash. So looking at Akash right now, this is the daily time frame. All these AI coins peaked out in March for the NVIDIA conference. That was the top for all the AI coins, and they went down for like 6 to 8 months, and now they're coming back up. All right, all these have very similar market structure. So Akash has rallied hard, another 100% move off of the bottom at around $2. Right now it's $4. So looking at the chart, I do have the suspicion that this is simply a bull flag. If we can get it, there we go. So yeah, this is bull flagging right now. And this is a bullish continuation pattern. So you have the flag in, consolidation in the flag, and then you're looking for that flag out. Okay, so Akash is going to be coin number 3. And do look for this one to make new all-time highs. For all of these coins, you can simply pull Fibonacci extensions from the March highs down to the lows in August. And you can see some fib levels. So for Akash, I wouldn't be surprised to see 14, 18, and $20 to $24. And anyways, that's coin number 3. Let's move on to coin number 4 for the video. Coin number 4 is going to be the Cubic network. Cubic. Right now, Cubic is trading for, there's a lot of decimal places here, but this is essentially $2,700 per 1 billion cubic units, QUs. All right, so 2,700 per billion right now. I've been in Cubic from 600 per billion over a year ago, buying the bottom in the bear market. Not the exact bottom at like 400 per billion, but 600 per billion. And anyways, the market cap is currently $328 million. So this is going to be the first coin I mentioned in today's video that is not above $1 billion market cap, but has very high prospects to be well above $1 billion market cap, multiple billions later on in the cycle. And you simply want to be into things before they explode that hard in price. So Cubic just released their white paper, insanely bullish. The market is really digesting it well. That was what Cubic needed to basically prove all of the FUD and the haters wrong, because there are people from Caspa that have spent every single day of their lives FUDding Cubic on X or Twitter, and that kind of rubbed off on a lot of people, but they were simply scared that Cubic was going to maybe overtake Caspa or something of that nature. Anyways, Cubic proved all the FUD to be incorrect, and the market is really, really digesting the white paper news well. If we look at the chart, so I was very vocal down here at the bottom. You guys know this if you watch the channel. When Cubic was at the exact bottom recently, at around 1,200 per billion, I told you, you better not sell the bottom. It is a range low deviation. It was a range low deviation. From the bottom, it rallied 150%. It's currently up around 100%. All right, so congratulations to anybody that stuck with it, or even added more down here at the lows. So Cubic right now is a beautiful chart formation. This is the weekly. If we look at the weekly, it's a pretty clear W double bottom, and it's breaking the neckline this week. Neckline is over here at around 2,400 per billion. So this is a very beautiful setup. We also have the daily 200 EMA at 2,400 per billion. So what we're looking for is possibly a back test at this level and then just continuation higher. All right, I do expect this to make new all-time highs. The all-time highs are around $12,000 per billion, and I expect that to be surpassed big time. All right, very bullish on Cubic. It is one of my larger positions, and I'm looking forward to see how high it can potentially go this cycle. Anyways, let's go ahead and move on to coin number 5 in this video. Coin number 5 is going to be AGI Delicium. All right, an AI agent coin, 21.3 cents right now at a $271 million market cap. And AGI put in around a 50x from the bottom last year to the March high. I'll show you. Right from the bottom over here, October 2023 to March 2024, it went up 55x. Okay, it has now pulled back from that 67 cent all-time high. It pulled back to 11 cents. It's currently at 20 cents. Now, I shared this in a live stream, but essentially I have drawn a parallel channel on this chart, going to the bear market lows and connecting it to the August 5th flash crash, and price is right on the channel. So again, don't ask me to buy it in 2 weeks when the price is probably going to be like up here. You want to buy it on the channel where it currently is. All right, and then look for it to go to the top of the channel. It's going to be a huge multiple, 20x at the top of the channel basically. So AGI Delicium, coin number 5. Technicals look really good. The chart looks really good. Project is solid. And it's got a lot of good things going for it, guys, and it's at a perfect level right on this channel support. This is the bull market trend line. This doesn't break in a bull market. It breaks in a bear market. So in a bull market, you expect it to act as strong support, and price should hold it. That's what it's doing. It's going to blow soon. It's going to pump really hard. That's coin number 5. Let's move on to coin number 6. Coin number 6 is another one I've been holding for a long time, over a year. Made several videos on OXO. OXO is a privacy DeFi suite, right? They offer an exchange, mixing solution, and many other things, privacy tools. Currently at 25 cents with a market cap of $227 million. Now, OXO is another one where I was basically telling you guys, if you sell, you are selling the bottom. Here's the chart. So the current price is actually 22 cents. But yeah, down here, it came back to 8 cents multiple times throughout the summer. And I said, these are just range low deviations. All right. And long story short, it's basically breaking out of the bottom right now. So this is our neckline, or our resistance trend line. You can see price is just breaking it. So if we do retest some lower levels, sub 20 cents, great entries, but minimum, I see this going to around 75 cents to $1, if not higher. So there's definitely money to be made on this coin, and I'm looking for it. It bottomed out, right? This is a pretty clean bottom, and just look for it to simply make a new all-time high now. All right, the hard part's over. The entry is done, or I mean, you better get it now if you want it before it's up here and new all-time highs. You get what I'm trying to say. Time is of the essence. This is coin number 6 for the video. Let's move on to coin number 7 now. Coin number 7 is going to be TAI TARS. This is a Solana AI coin backed by the Solana Foundation. So the market cap is, according to CoinGecko and most metrics, 133 million, but I do believe it is lower. All right, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to go with what CoinGecko is saying, 133 million. But I do believe this is sub 100 million market cap. So TAI has recently exploded out of its range, accumulation range that it's been trading in for quite a long time. That's the weekly chart. On the daily, you can see it's been range bound. It launched in May, so after the initial AI boom this year. It went sideways from around 20 cents to 10 cents for around 6 months in this range. And it's now just broken out and made a new all-time high. All right, so it hasn't gone into escape velocity. If we get a retest of some lower prices and you want to buy it, it probably will be a short-lived dip. So if you want to pack your bags on a coin like this, look to buy the dip. You can establish a starter position now, but this will go much higher. Just breaking out of a long-range new AI coin backed by Solana. It's got high prospects, all right? TAI, look into it on your own. TARS protocol, good coin. That's coin number 7 for the video. Let's move on to coin number 8. That's going to be Based AI, another one that I've been bullish on here vocally on the channel. It's up 56% on the day, trading for $5.36 with a market cap of $191 million. If you look at where this one's listed, you can get it on MEXC, BingX, but Uniswap will be the easiest place to get something like Based AI. And if we go ahead and take a look at the chart, so this thing has been very volatile, right? Pumping, selling off, pumping. But I do believe off of this recent bounce from the daily 200 EMA today that, it likely has bottomed and it won't go back here towards $2, which it revisited many times. So with that being said, we are looking for this to go make new all-time highs now. All-time high is currently $12. That was the March peak. So we are at a resistance level currently at around $5.50, and then the next major resistance will be at $7. So again, if we pull back to like $4.75, buy area, $4.20 buy area. But yeah, we're looking for this thing to go to new all-time highs like all of these AI coins, guys. Based AI bullish, Pepe coin also bullish. These two go hand in hand. But for the sake of this video, we'll only be covering based AI. But Pepe coin is also bullish. All right, so that's coin number 8, I believe, for the video. Let's move on to coin number 9. That's going to be AI Tech, Solidus. AI Tech is currently trading for 11.5 cents with a market cap of 124, basically $125 million, right? AI Tech basically building an AI services marketplace, as well as an AI data center. Now this one, if we go ahead and take a look at the chart here on AI Tech, so had a monster rally, went from a penny all the way up here to 50 cents. It pulled all the way back to 6 cents. It's currently trading at 11 cents. So this is one where, again, it's just breaking out now from its bottom accumulation here over the past few months. This is another accumulation lake. You can see it has flipped the daily 200 EMA, back testing it. We're just looking for this to run now back to the all-time high and make a new one. So if it does offer any pullbacks, any big red days, those are buying opportunities, guys. We're in the bull run. So you expect price to rapidly increase. Time is of the essence. AI Tech, charts looking good. Decent project, should do quite well with the AI boom we will experience in 2025. All right, let's move on now to coin number 10. Coin number 10 is going to be OORT. ORT, low market cap AI pick. Currently trading for 16.6 cents with a $43.7 million market cap. Look at where this is traded. It is available on most exchanges, from Gate.io, Mexi, BingX, KuCoin, BitGet, and then you can get it on PancakeSwap as well on the Binance Smart Chain if you don't want to use a centralized exchange. Anyways, OORT has some very, very solid partnerships, good backing, and it has another AI coin with high prospects that I do expect to do quite well. Now, looking at this chart, if you're wondering what these big red lines are, I was just sharing this the other day inside of the Crypto Empire Mastermind. If you are interested in joining the Mastermind, you can apply using the first link in the description down below. But I basically said, this was 2 days ago, I said the entire year of bearish price action will be wiped away in a few weeks once this gets going. And you can see the price was 10 cents in this update here in the Mastermind. Well, that was literally the bottom. So another successful bottom called. Go ahead and add it to the list. Anyways, it has put in a massive pump today. Right? It basically went up like 100% in a day. And the market cap is still tiny though. It's $43 million. So this can go much higher. However, with that being said, I don't think it's too late at all, right? At 43 million. Of course, you don't want a FOMO after a monster green day, so look for some kind of retracement. It did pump right to the daily 200 EMA. If you do go back to the quarterly open at around 13-12 cents, look for that for an entry on ORT. But I see this multiplying. I see it doing very well. All right, so that's coin number 10. I do have an honorable mention. I said it would be 10 coins, but I'm going to mention 11. The 11th coin is Argo Coin AGC, and this is a layer 1 decentralized AI blockchain, and it's currently trading for 31 cents. The fully diluted valuation is 61.8 mil, but the actual valuation, I believe, is much lower, around 9 million market cap. All right, looking at the chart here, so this bull flag in September and October played out, price broke out. It's essentially now just retesting the top of this previous bull flag. All right, so I do expect this to hold, and I expect it to go ahead and march back here towards its all-time highs, which is up here at $1, basically $2. All right, so I see this one doing well. Look into it on your own, right? Layer 1 decentralized AI blockchain. They're building, and it's another one that has high prospects that can do quite well. So anyways, we went over some of the best AI coins in the crypto market in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So in this video, we talked about the most bullish AI coins to hold going into 2025 for this crypto bull run. AI will be the biggest narrative and probably see the biggest pumps, much like what we saw already this cycle in 2023 going into 2024. When we saw a major AI boom, it's probably going to be a grander scale in 2025. So not financial advice, but get your bags packed because it's going to be a wild time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire. I'll see you in the next video.